How they doing? Looks like they're kind of wrapping up a little bit.
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Tell everybody how you feel about the rain.
Voy a caer la vuelta por atrás.
Está el agua hasta arriba, mami, con el basement.
Logistics city operations. Offset.
We've been called here to the village of Mamaroneck to perform building-to-building searches for victims that are trapped by floodwaters.
And where are we exactly right here?
We are at the intersection of Mamaroneck Avenue and Hoyt Avenue in the village of Mamaroneck. Yeah. Here's the plane. Sorry, what's up here, please, for our food shop? The residents in this area are probably somewhere under several hundred to maybe 1,000 or so, if they're here. We're trying to determine that.
And we've seen a lot of people leaving throughout the day.
Yes, people have been being rescued by the local fire department already from different spots throughout the village.
Center's lower. I don't have a car. I'm gonna park my vehicle somewhere else. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here.
What's your name?
Well, you know, this is a
first I've been back to New York in years and years and years. I got here about 7:45 in the morning, and I ended up walking in the rain for hours because the trains weren't running because of flooding. I was on the wrong street to catch the bus I needed, but it probably wasn't coming either. I still love New York. I'm still damp, 6 hours later, but yeah, it's very challenging.
I'm lost. I feel terrible. I don't even know where I'm going because I'm accustomed to catching a particular train. Now I come, the train is delayed. I don't know when. It's disgusting.
I don't know what New York needs to do to mitigate this problem. I understand it happens a couple times a year. So it seems like there should be plenty of information to know how to mitigate the flooding when these disastrous, intense rains happen.
I don't like it. I just don't like the rain in general. So it's kind of also the trains are messed up. So I'm trying to find a way home now.
There's a shortage of socks in the stores to replace the wet ones I'm wearing. My feet are soaking wet. It's very squishy walking around.
It is cold, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Definitely not humid.
Center's lower. I don't have a car. I'm gonna park my vehicle somewhere else. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. They sent me a video of my.
Doesn't have in this area doesn't have sewerage system, and also recently the DEP had put up 2 pumping stations, and none of them is working because the water keep building up. As we have just visited right there, nobody can pass through. Even a police department car came out to warn people not to cross this street because it's being very dangerous. This house, I had invested a lot of money, and the water keep coming from the ground because there are no drainage system from this location. So all the rainwater, they are not able to drain out from this area, so it's coming into our house. If they would have a proper drainage system like the other area of the city, then we wouldn't have this problem. This is not the only time we are having this problem. We're having this problem every time we have rain just like this, or even a little bit less. Now I have myself and another person, we're trying to keep pumping out. You see he's throwing out the bucket of water, outside. We are really, really suffering. And you know, we live like any other resident of New York City, and the suffering is severe here. Excuse me.